Want to make your own printable language worksheets so you can learn, practice, and master the language faster? Keep watching. There's an easy way to do this with our system. But first, if you don't yet have access to our language learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account. First step, getting your word and phrase lists. First, before you get to making the actual printable worksheets, you'll need the words and phrases that you'd like to practice with the worksheets. And that depends on you and what you want to learn and practice. But don't worry, there's an easy way to do it as you're learning with our system, and I'm going to show you how. So as you go through the lessons on your learning pathway, you'll come across new words and phrases in every lesson. You'll find them down in the vocab section. If there are any you want to save, you can send them to your word bank. Think of the word bank as your extended brain, where you save words and phrases for later review. And the word bank is what will help you make these worksheets down the line. So just hit the Add to Word Bank button on the lesson page for whichever words and phrases you want to save, and keep on going with the lessons. By the way, you can also save words from our free vocabulary lists, which you'll find in the vocabulary drop-down menu. There are hundreds of word and phrase lists sorted by topics like weather, hobbies, or chatting about your day. When you find words or phrases you like, hit Add All to Word Bank, and boom, your vocab collection grows. So this is your first step. Once you've added enough words and phrases and want to make some worksheets, move on to this next step. Second step, creating your own printable worksheets. Now here's how you put the word bank to use and make your own worksheets. Start by heading to the vocabulary menu and clicking on Word Bank. That's where all your saved words and phrases are. And if you're on the app, you'll find the word bank inside the menu. Once you're in the word bank, you'll see an option for a printer-friendly version. Click it, and there you can print your entire collection right away. Or if you've organized your word bank into categories like verbs, adjectives, or whatever labels work for you, you can export just those. Select the label, hit Export Word Bank, and save it as a PDF. After that, print it out and you've got a personalized worksheet ready to go. You can use it for a review or even write on it to practice, and that's it. By the way, if you just want ready-made printable worksheets and cheat sheets, you'll find them inside our free Gifts of the Month newsletter, which goes out to all members, so look out for that. So if you want to learn the language and get access to these learning tools and our learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account. Access your free language gifts right now before they expire. First, the Talking About Age PDF cheat sheet, so you can easily ask and answer, how old are you in your target language? Second, the Being Thankful vocabulary list. What are you thankful for this Thanksgiving? You'll be able to express your gratitude fluently with this 1-minute lesson. Third, want a bonus writing worksheet for Thanksgiving? No other language app will give you free bonus resources, but we will. You'll master all the different phrases for saying thank you with this free writing worksheet. Fourth, online shopping vocabulary. Learn how to say sale, coupon, and much more with this 1-minute vocabulary bonus. And fifth, the only language app that gets you speaking and understanding native speakers because it teaches you through real conversations between real native speakers. Download the innovative language learning app for free on Android, iPhone, and iPad. To get your free Gifts of the Month, click the link in the description below and download them now before they expire. Great work! Here's a reward. Speed up your language learning with our PDF lessons. Get all of our best PDF cheat sheets and ebooks for free. Just click the link in the description.